Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet drunken granny stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the drunken granny stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 4. You're then going to work 4 double crochet into the 6th chain from your hook, chain 3, and then work 1 double crochet into that same chain as the 4 you just made. Skip 4 chains, make 4 double crochet into the next chain, chain 3, 1 double crochet into that same chain as the 4. You're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. And if you look on the row that I just made, you can see that these previous stitches are 4 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet all into the same space. So this is going to be 1 row repeated for however long you want your project. And I'm going to show you how to make the row that I'm currently working right now. I have made 3 chains on my hook. So like I said, you can see that there's the 4 double crochet, the chain 3, and the 1 double crochet into that same space, which makes this space right here. You're only going to be working into these open spaces made from that stitch. So you're going to work 4 double crochet into that open space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then work a double crochet into that same space. Now you can see we've made that space for the next row. Same thing, you're going to skip all of this and you're going to work into this open space right here. So 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3, 1 double crochet into that same space. Same thing over here, skip to this open space and make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3 chains, and then 1 double crochet into that same space. Same thing for our last one. Skip all of this, only work into this open space. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 3 chains, and then 1 double crochet into that same space. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. That's going to match the chain 3 that you made at the beginning of your row. So like I said, you will repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet drunken granny stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.